Hello, this is Pete from Vanshades. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate to you how easy it is to install Tailgate Window Pod onto a T5. So let's get started. First job you're going to do is offer it up to the window. Now what we use here, we use a plasterer's prop as a hand. It's fantastic for the job. If not, you can make a prop out of a piece of timber. If not, get a spare pair of hands to help you. What we do is we just offer the pod up to the window. Now this one here has got a built-in tailgate motor housing. I'm just going to squeeze that up and you can see now that the pod's in place. Next job I want to do is make sure that this central strap is lined up with the middle of the pull down tabs. Once that's done, do a quick check all the way around, making sure that the gap is level on each side. When the pod's in place, it'll sit perfectly inside this window recess. Setting up is everything. You've just got to make sure it's nice and square. So once that's in and you're happy with that, make sure everything's nice all the way around and then you're ready to install the pod. Vanshades window pods come with a fittings pack included. All the fittings you'll need to do the job. They also come with a very important fixing to secure the bolts into the steel. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to fire these bolts in so it secures either side of the motor housing. So we'll find the position. And then screw the first one in. Second bolt. About 4 inch again, the side of the motor housing, through the steel, biting. Don't over tighten it at this stage. Now what we can do is we can let this completely go. You'll find that the pod will stay there. What we've got to do now is to get 4 more screws in the fixings pack. We've got to put one in the top right hand corner, one in the top left, one in the bottom left, and one in the bottom right. The method that we use here is a blind fixing method, so you'll need a Stanley knife. Make an incision in the carpet. Peel the carpet back. Then using a Phillips driver and your drill driver, screw the screw through the plastic and into the steel. Once you've done that, bring the 4-way stretch carpet to cover the screw head. So we'll do the same on the other side. Make an incision, fold the carpet back, ready to screw in. Self-tapping screw, straight to the steel and cover. So we're nearly there now. We've got 2 more screws to do. This one goes into the top of the pod. Make an incision, pull the carpet back. What you want to be doing here is screwing it right to the edge of the plastic. You can just about get enough to screw into the steel. You hear it bite into the steel. And cover that up. Last one. So I'm making an incision, 1 inch incision in the carpet towards the edge of the plastic, ensuring that all your fixings are invisible. There you go. Come closer. This is your Vanshade. So it's now completely tight all the way around. Nice and flush fitting. So when that's closing the vehicle, I'll show you what it's like from the inside. In this particular instance, we're also installing a splashback to this vehicle. This is what the customer requires. In this instance, we install an acrylic, and then that's your finished result. So if you pop in the vehicle now, you can see what a difference the window pod makes to the rear of the vehicle. I'm going to lift the blind up, and that's it. That's how to install Vanshades window pods to a tailgate. Thanks for watching.